In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Roblox multi-account extension. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is a web browser that can access the extension. Preferably, you either use Opera GX, which is a gaming browser, or Chrome, which is more optimized for extensions. Both of these will work, and probably other ones, but these are the two I recommend. The first step is to log into the first account you want to play on, as usual at the Roblox website. So go to www.roblox.com and log into the first account that you want to play Roblox on. Afterwards, all you have to do is open Google and search for Roblox multi-account extension. The first link should be this one, chrome.google.com Roblox multi-accounts. When you access this website, it will take you to the Chrome Web Store where you can download the Roblox multi-account extension that allows you to log into multiple accounts at the click of a button. Like I said, you can install this on the Opera GX browser or Google Chrome, both work, or you may use other browsers that accept Chrome extensions. After you install the app, you just have to open it up and you will get this window where you can log into the different accounts. You can add accounts, log out, and change the settings as necessary. After the extension is installed, you can select one out of your multiple accounts by using this extension. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Roblox multi-account extension. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.